In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a sprint in Jira. Start by opening Jira from your Atlassian workspace. Once you are in Jira, go to the area where you can see your projects. This is the main starting point, because creating and managing sprint-related work usually begins from a project space where your team tracks tasks. Next, click the highlighted option on the screen to move forward. You are simply navigating through the Atlassian menus until you reach the right space to set up sprint planning content. After that, click the next highlighted option, which takes you into the wiki or documentation area connected to your Jira environment. This is commonly used for sprint planning pages, checklists, and shared team references. When a confirmation window appears, click OK. This accepts the choice you just made and lets you continue into the templates area. From here, click the highlighted area again to open the template selection panel. Templates save time by giving you a ready-made structure, so you do not have to build a sprint plan page from scratch. Click the next highlighted field to focus your cursor in the template search area. Then type into the highlighted search box. Enter the word sprint, so the template list filters down to sprint-related options. This helps you find the correct template quickly, especially if your organization has many templates available. Once you see the correct sprint template in the results, click Use. This creates a new page based on that template and opens it in the editor. Now you will see several sections in the sprint planning page. Click the highlighted area to place your cursor into the content. Then click on Sprint Team Members to jump to that section and review it. Next, click Sprint Planning Checklist so you can move through the key planning items. After that, click Sprint Team Members again, which brings you back to the team section for another pass. Continue by clicking Sprint Planning Meeting Items, then click Previous Sprint Summary. These sections help organize what you will cover during planning and what you learned from the prior sprint. Next, click Velocity Tracking, and then click Adjusted Velocity Tracking. These areas are useful for documenting your team capacity and any changes that affect how much work you can realistically take on. Finally, click Sprint Planning Resources to reach the links and references your team uses during planning. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.